Father, Father, we don't need to escalate. You see, war is not the answer, for only love can conquer hate. You know we've got to find a way to bring some loving here today. Oh, picket lines and picket signs don't punish me with brutality. Oh baby, talk to me so you can see what's going on. Yeah, what's going on? What's going on? Yeah, what's going on? Father, Father, everybody thinks we're wrong.